Even though they look cute, dolphins are actually geniuses. They have the largest brain of any creature in the ocean, and arguably the most advanced intelligence of any animal on this planet. They use tools, play with toys, recognize themselves in the mirror, are self-aware, and can even develop human-like addictions. But why are they so smart? How does this benefit them in the wild? And what can we learn from these super intelligent creatures? This is what we'll be looking at today. First, let's look at their brain size. Their brain weighs about 1,700 grams, which is almost double the size of a bottlenose whale's brain. The size of an animal's brain correlates with its intelligence, but it doesn't tell the whole story. For example, a sperm whale has a bigger brain than a dolphin, but it's not as smart. The reason for this is that the dolphin brain has more folds than other marine mammal brains. These folds increase the surface area of the brain, which increases the number of connections between neurons. More connections between neurons means faster information processing. Scientists believe that the increased surface area of the dolphin brain may be the reason for their advanced cognitive abilities. But why do dolphins need to be so smart? Dolphins live in highly dynamic environments. This means they have to be able to adapt to constantly changing conditions. If you've ever been to the ocean, you know how quickly the conditions can change. Just think of a summer thunderstorm. The sky can go from clear blue to stormy in minutes. In addition to this, dolphins have to worry about predators like sharks and killer whales, which require them to be quick thinkers when it comes to escaping life-threatening situations. On top of that, they also have to be smart to catch their prey. Dolphins eat around 50 kilograms of fish per year. That's equivalent to the weight of a full-grown African gray parrot. To catch all that fish, they have to use sophisticated hunting techniques and be able to predict the behavior of their prey. This is why being smart is advantageous for dolphins. Another reason why they're so smart is because of sexual selection. Female dolphins tend to choose mates based on their intelligence. This means that over time, the smartest males are more likely to pass on their genes. This is similar to humans, where women tend to prefer intelligent men. Studies show that men with high IQs are more likely to get married and have more offspring than men with low IQs. In addition to choosing mates based on intelligence, female dolphins will also steal mates from less intelligent males. This is probably because they want to ensure the survival of their offspring. If a female dolphin is seen as less intelligent than average, her offspring are more likely to be killed by other dolphins. So, to protect her young, she steals mates from other males to ensure that her babies are strong and healthy. This type of sexual selection is thought to be one of the main drivers of the evolution of intelligence in dolphins. Now, you might be wondering, how do dolphins use their intelligence in the wild? Well, they use it for everything from finding food to avoiding predators, communicating with each other, and raising their young. Dolphins are highly social animals and live in groups of up to 15 members. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including whistles, clicks, and pulses. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle that it uses to identify itself to other dolphins. Dolphins also use whistles to give each other directions while underwater. For example, a mother dolphin will use a special whistle to call her calf and lead it back to the pod after it has been playing on its own. Dolphins are also very playful and have been observed using objects like seagrass and shells as toys. They'll toss these objects in the air and catch them, or they'll use them to attract the attention of other dolphins. In some cases, they've even been observed using tools. For example, dolphins have been seen using sponges to protect their noses while foraging for food on the ocean floor. They'll place the sponge over their nose and mouth to create a seal so that they can suck up food without getting hurt. In conclusion, dolphins are considered to be the smartest creatures in the ocean because of their large brain size, complex social interactions, and ability to use tools. They're highly adaptable creatures that are able to thrive in a wide range of environments. And they're also very playful and curious, which makes them a joy to watch. So the next time you see a dolphin, take a moment to appreciate the incredible intelligence of these amazing animals. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends.